You just spent hours cleaning and it's already dirty again? You're not going crazy. There's actual science behind why this happens and ways to stop it. Most people think they're bad at cleaning, but the real culprits are invisible. Dust particles are constantly falling, static electricity attracts dirt, and you're probably using the wrong cleaning methods. Reason number 1, you're just moving dirt around, not removing it. Reason number 2, poor ventilation means dust recirculates constantly. Reason number 3, cheap cleaning products leave residue that actually attracts more dirt. Reason number 4, high traffic areas need daily maintenance, not weekly. Here's how to break the cycle. Use microfiber to trap particles, improve air filtration, switch to residue-free cleaners, and implement quick daily touch-ups in key areas. Your home will stay cleaner longer. Tired of the endless cleaning cycle? Our professionals use proven methods and commercial-grade products that keep homes cleaner for longer. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332, or visit bearbroscleaning.com.